Ninth one, the speeds is given, the speeds is given in the ratios of, in the ratio of 3:4:5, 3:4:5, then find the time taken, by reach the places. The speeds are 3:4:5, then time taken by reach the places. Now here the speeds is given. Now speeds and inversely proportional to the time. So when the speed is increases, time automatically decreases. When the time decreases, speed also increases. Now inversely proportional. Now I am taking here speeds. Now speeds is given like this. Speeds is equal to 3:4:5. Ratios of the speeds is 3:5. Now what are the time taken here? Time taken nothing but the inversely proportional, both are. Now time is equal to, now I am taking the time is equal to, here 1/3:1/4:1/5, the inversely proportional. Now I am taking the, what is the LCM here? LCM is 5, 3, 4 is the 60. Now here 60 how many times? 20 times cancellation. Now 50 times will be cancellation. Again 15, 12 time will be cancellation. Now this is the, now time taken in the ratios of 20:15:12. Now the speeds is 3, the time will be taken here 20. The speeds is here increases, now the time will be taken decreases. The speeds is increases, time is decreases. So this concept is goes to, the speeds is given when the time is asking, the speeds and time is always inversely proportional. Now see the next question. Now again, now the amount divided 1/2:1/3:1/4, 1/2:1/3:1/4, the sum is 2400, the sum is 2400. Then find difference between second person and first person is, the difference is what? The amount is divided into like this, or the sum is 2400. Now what is the difference? So here the first person and second person and third person, 1/3:1/3:1/4. Now here LCM you find out, 2:3:4. Now 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. Here 12 is the LCM. Again 12 is the LCM, 6 times will be cancellation here. Now again here 12 is nothing but 4 times will be cancellation, again 30. So now the difference of this total is 13 parts is given, that one. Now one part is equal to how much here? The difference is in the first part or second part. What is asking here? The second part and first part. Now the asking the difference is 2 here. Now again, now total is 13 parts. Now 13 parts is equal to here 2400. Now difference of 2 parts is equal to how much? 2 parts is equal to how much? So both are cross multiply. 2 into parts divided by 13. So here what is this one? 48,800 divided by 13. 13 3s are 39, 13 3s are 39. So 39 nothing but again 9 is there. 13 8s are 13 8s are, you take 4800 divided by 13. Now 13 3s are 39. Again here 90 is there, 890. 13 9s are approximately 13 9s are 91. So now here one more zero, nothing but now shall I calculate divided 370 rupees. Now this is a one part is equal to approximately 370. And now so difference of two parts is equal to 370 into 2. Now is equal to 014 740. Now the ratio of three numbers 3:4:5, the sum of their squares 800. Find the largest number. Here what is the largest number? First you find out that one. So I don't know which one is the largest, but they given 3:4:5. I am taking the ratios of these numbers. I am taking these numbers. The ratios are I am taking 3x:4x:5x. This is the numbers. The sum of their squares is 800. Now the sum of their squares nothing but they am taking here 3x square plus 4x square plus 5x square. Also the sum of their square is what? 800 is there. I am taking here 800. Now the sum of their square is 800. Find the largest one. Now you find out the largest. Which one is the largest here? Now I am taking here 9x square plus 16x square plus 25x square is equal to 800. Now here 9 plus 16 25 plus 25. Now 50x square. So here 50x square is equal to 800. 0 will be cancelled. Now here x square is there here. Come and take the 5 ones are 5 8. Now see here x square is equal to 80 by 5. So 5 ones are 5, again 30, 5 6 are. Now x square is equal to here 60. Shall I take x square is equal to 4 square? 2 will be cancelled. X is equal to 4. But according to this one, which is the largest? Substitute here. The squares are the ratios of which is the largest number. Now here the numbers are like this: 12. Now first one is 12, second one is 16. Now second one is 13. The largest number is here 20. The largest number is 20. Okay, once again the ratios of their three numbers 3:4:5, three numbers 3:4:5, the sum of their square is 800. Find the largest number. Largest number nothing but this is a 5 into 2, 20 is the largest number here. Sum of their square is nothing but each one is the individual squares, all individual square, all are added, that one 50x square. Now 800. 0 will be cancelled. X square is equal to 80. Now 80 by 5, 16 times cancellation. X square is equal to 16. X square is equal to 4 square. Square will be cancelled. X is equal to 4. Now coming to this problem, the ratios of between two numbers, the ratios is 3:2. The sum of their squares are 117. Find the numbers. The ratios between two number is 3. Now sum of their square, this one also. And now I am taking the ratios of two numbers. Two numbers are, I am taking two numbers. First one is now 3x, second one is 2x. Their squares is 170. Their square is 170, nothing but 3x square plus 2x square is equal to 117. Now come on, now 9x square is equal to 4x square is equal to 117. Now 9 plus 4, 13, 13x square is equal to 117. 13 ones are 13 nines are. X square is equal to 9. X square is equal to 3 square. Square will be cancelled. X is equal to 3. But the condition, find the numbers. Find the numbers. First number is 3 into 3, 9. Now second number is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. The numbers are 9 comma 6. This is the next one. When the same problems is given in the squares and cubes also is given, same in the process will be same. The procedure will be same. The ratios of between of two numbers is 3:2. Now their squares is like this. Now find the numbers. Numbers I am taking the 3x and 2x. You find out the x value here, then substitute here. Now these are the ratios and proportions. The ratio between two numbers is 5:3. Each number is added 4. Then the ratio is 11:7. Find the first and the second number. Find the first number and the second number. Both are finding the variable. No. See the solution part. Two numbers are there. Let assume that two numbers, let 5x comma 3x. Two numbers I am taking the 5x and 3x. If each number added by 4, each number added nothing but 5x plus 4. Now this one also added. So this one added nothing but now 3x plus 4. Both number added is 4. Then the ratio should become 11:7. 11:7. Now I am taking here 5x plus 4 divided by. Now I am taking this is the ratios 3x plus 4. Now the ratio it becomes what? 11:7. 11/7. Now you find out the first number and second number. 7 5s are 35x plus 7 4s are 28 is equal to 11 3s are 33x plus 44. Now again is a 35 and 32. The difference is here. The difference is 2x is equal to here 44 minus 28. 48 minus 28. 44 now, the 44 minus 28. Now here 2x is equal to 16. Here 2x is equal to 16. Now x is equal to here, x is equal to 8. 2 1s are 2 8s are. X is equal to, this is the first number. What is the first number here? First number is first number is 5x. 5 into 8 is 40. The second number is 3 into x. Now 3 into 8 is equal to 24. The first number and the second number is, the first number is 20. Now first number is 40 comma 24. These are the numbers. Find the first number and the second number is like this. Now the same problem now here the ratios of between two numbers. I am taking the two numbers is 5:3. This is the 5:3. So 5x and 3x. The two number, each number is added. Each number is added nothing but like this 4. If the ratios it become 11:7, find their first number and the second number. Nothing but now now suppose I am adding here 5 plus 4 is here what is added. Each number is added 9. 9 it will become 7. Now again now find the first number and the second number. This is the first number. This is the second number. The ratios also is given. What is the ratios? 11/7 in the 11/7. Cross multiply and then you get the x value. Then substitute here. You can get the x value, the x first value and second value. So each number added nothing but here plus, you take the plus and add it. See the same problem now here. Now the 14th problem, the ratios between two numbers is again 5:3. Okay, the problem I am taking first. Each number is subtracted. Here subtracted. Each number is subtracted by 5. Then the ratio is 7:4. Then the ratio is 7:4. Difference between them. Now the solution part is, I am taking the solution part. Here the first number is 5x is 2 and the second number is 3x. Now each number subtracted by 5. Each number subtract nothing but 5x minus 5. Now again 3x minus 5. Now these numbers is their ratios is 7:4. 5x minus 5 divided by 3x minus 5 is equal to 7 by 4. Now again you cross multiply, then find the x value. So 20x minus 20 is equal to 21x minus 35. So here I am going to like this one I am coming to this, minus 20 it will comes 35, minus 35 it will comes plus 35, 21x minus 20, this one goes to that place minus 20. Now here 15 is equal to x, so 21x minus 20x, x is equal to 15. Then difference of their two numbers, they find the first number what is there and second number what is there. The first number is here 5x. The first number is 15 into x nothing but 50 is equal to 75, and the second number is 3 into 15, 45. The difference is here 30. The difference number is difference between them is 30. So now this problem goes to when the value is added as increases, added nothing but increases, when the subtracting nothing but decreases, here minus 5 is subtracted. So that's why the values, so both and 1 is subtracted. Now 1 is addition, the variable addition, how to solve the problem, and the subtraction when the two numbers is given, when the subtracted one variables, how to find out the this difference when you find out the first variable and second variable, and again the difference between them both, you can find out the difference. Now the ratio between income of A and B is 3:2, incomes given, and the ratios between their expenditures is given. The each one is saving is 7,000, each one saving 7,500 rupees, each one saving 5,000 rupees. Now then each one is saving is 5,000 rupees, each one saving is 7,500 rupees. Now come on, first what are the incomes and what are the expenditures are there in this one. Now each one is saving 7,500 rupees. Now this incomes is given here, income. So saving, we don't know the saving, but expenditures also is given. This is the expenditure, the expenditure. Now what are the incomes? Incomes are 3:2. Now your expenditures are 9:5. 9:5. Now here incomes, the difference is income is one part. The expenditures is here 4 parts. The difference of this 4 parts. So income is one part, expenditure is 4 part. Now here the difference is again, the income is 3:2. Income's level is one part is difference is one part. And again expenditure also, the difference is expenditure is 4 parts. The income is one part is equal to now 4 parts. One part is equal to one part nothing but now total. Now total here gaining in the 3 parts. Now again this one is 3 parts. Now each share is equal to total out of 3 parts. Now income is 3 parts. 3 by total is total of 4 parts into the total amount is given 7,500. The difference is 1 part and 4 part. My income is 3 parts. Now what is the saving? Now saving is equal to 3 parts. Now here 3 now 4. Now here expenditure is 4 part. Now income is 1 part. The difference is here 3 parts. So they given total is 4 parts is equal to 7,500. Now 3 parts is equal to how? Now here 4 parts is equal to, they given 4 parts is equal to 7,500. Now 3 parts is equal to how much? The question. Okay, understand? So that's why I am taking like this 3. Now again 3 1s are 4 1s are 4. Again here 34 nothing but 4 8s are 32. Again 20 4 5s are. So here multiply this one 0 0. 3 5s are 15, 3 8s are 15, 3 8s are 24, 25. 3 ones are 3 plus 2, the 55. Now the amount is now now 3 parts is equal to how much? 3 parts is equal to 5550. This is the, when the ratios of income A is to B is given and their expenditure is given. Now each one saving how much? Saving, totally saving 7400. Now then individual I am calculating the, now first 3 parts, 4 parts they given, 4 all are only 7004. Now 3 parts is equal to how much? So different of income is 1 part is different of one part. Expenditure also, this is the 4 parts. Now again income is 1 part is equal to difference of expenditure 4 parts. This 1 part is income is now again 4 parts is expenditure. This income and expenditure, it gives the saving. So now total saving is given, total saving what in the 7400, 3 parts is equal to how much? Is 5500. Now coming to these problems, in the ratios between adults to children, adults and children, adults is given 5:3 and adults to children 5:3. The ratios of passengers is given now 9:10. In each day the total collection is 1500 rupees. Then find the share of children, then find the share of the children. Now here the see the solution part. Now adults and children's, adults to children's. So adults to children, what is given? Now 5:3 is given. Now again, and the ratios of passengers, now passengers also is given, passengers to 9:10. I am calculating the individuals and adults and children's. Adults, what is their adults? 5 into 9. Now again, what is the children's? Now children's 3 into 10. Now the according to the, find the share of children. Find the share of children is nothing but 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are. So here what is the ratios? Adults is to children's is equal to, children is equal to 1 threes are 3, so 3 is to 2. But I want to only total number of children's. Total number of children's is equal to 2 parts. Total 5 parts is there. 3 plus 2, 5 parts. Now total 5 parts is equal to here. Total 5 parts is equal to what is given total? The number 15,000 is given. So 1 part is equal to how much? 1 part is equal to, so 5 ones are 5, 5 3, 300. 1 part is equal to 300, but I want how many children is there? 2 parts of children are there. Now 1 part 300, 2 parts is equal to how much? 2 parts is equal to 600. So cross multiply. Now 300 into 2 divided by 1 is equal to 600. Now total children is there 600, remaining 1100 is 900 is the adults. So this is the ratio between the pairs adults and children's 5:3. The ratios is given 5:3. I am taking the adults and children's is 5:3, and the ratios of passenger 9:10. I am taking the passengers 9:10. Not adults passengers are there and also children's passengers are there. Now both are multiplied. 5 nines are adults. I am taking the adults. 5 nines are 45. I am taking the children's part. I am taking the, this is the children part, 3 into 10. Now again ratios find out. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are. So here 1 is there, 1 into 2, 2. Here 1 into 3, 3. Now adults into children's. Now adults is 3 parts and children's is 2 parts. Total 3 plus 2, 5 parts. 5 parts is given. Total collection is 1500. 1500 nothing but this is the 1500. So 1 part is equal to 300. Now 1 part is equal to 200, but I want the 2 parts of children's. 2 parts of children's nothing but 1 part is equal to 300, 2 parts is equal to how much? Now both are cross multiply, you can get the answer.